Okay, what we got here is what I was originally running the Code-8 with. Code-8 PTW was an 11.1 2200 mAh battery, and it's pretty snappy with the response, and I have shooting videos with it, but I'm going to plug it in so you can hear the difference. Here's semi, full, not bad, respectable, good snap on the trigger. Now, what I've taken here is I've taken two 7.4 1300 mAh batteries, and I put them in series. So technically this is a 14.8 2600 mAh battery. If you look at the cells and what they say, this one says all 7.8. Okay. This one says all 7.8. All 7.8. It's hard to see on this. I don't think it's going to be clear. So, when we hook up the Code-8 with the 14.8 battery, this is what you get on semi. This is what you get on full now. Now, I'm thinking that this gun, the way it is configured, should be able to handle this. A normal 14.8 battery is this big, if not bigger. You would be putting it in a PEQ box or something like that. But these two 7.4 1300 mAh batteries fit in the gun without a problem. Just to show you what this does is what I do is I feed one in here, fits in there fine. I feed the other one in there, fits in fine, and it's below, and then you can plug in your power, and everything fits in there fine without damaging anything. The wires, once I get the cover on here, the only negative part will be that you might have to put two LiPo arms in here to get the total voltage, so if you can see, you're drawing more off the cells. I have two small LiPo arms I could put in here, and with the added room now, it fits, and I probably could put those two in there. So just to hear it again, full auto. Actually, very well. If you notice what the cover does when you put it on the top here, it will hold all the wires in without a problem once you get them situated correctly. And you get the, I'm not going to try to close that on that, but it does fit all the wires in there very loosely. I'm going to put the cover on it just so that it stays closed, but I'm not going to try to kill myself doing it now in the video. But all the wires fit in there, and a smaller LiPo arm instead of something this massive is what's good. So a cheaper solution, putting two batteries in series. I don't recommend cutting them and wiring yourself. I would actually buy a pre-made one, but I don't think any of them are going to fit. So then you'd be doing a PEQ box on this, which brings me back to having a rail system on this instead of the Handguard the way it is now. That's just my 2 cents, and this is the gun firing with 14.8. I am going to do some shooting with it in a couple of minutes. I'll set it up and we'll try a couple of shots with it. Okay, we got the Chrono out here again, and I really don't think we're going to see that much of an increase in FPS. It's still going to be 375 to 380 range. I think the rate of fire is what we're going to see the increase in. So let's do a couple more. See if I can get in here square. 79. 369. I think I'm a little crooked, so I'm going to move this out a little bit more so you can still see the FPS. 74. 76. 72. 74. And 77. Okay, we're going to do a rate of fire. Now this is being tested with G&G .25 Bio BBs. Alright, this is what I use in 99% of my guns. So let's do a rate of fire. Okay, 373, 1034, which works out to 17.2. Very respectable. Let's put it back here again. Okay, now that one for 383, 5.2. So I don't know if we're misfeeding. No, we're not. So let me try this again. See, that last one it kicked back. That wasn't good. 17.5, 383. So we're getting a little bit higher FPS. 18.5, 375. 18.1 at 380. Now let's go back to semi for a minute here again. 401. Oh boy. 369. 377. 371. 377. Like I said, this is pretty close as far as the FPS where I thought it was going to be, but the increase from the 13, 5, 14 that we're getting up to 17, 18 rounds per second, that's pretty good. Let's try it again. It's only 16. Let's try this. That last one kicked a little bit. Let me give the old flash mag a couple of wings. Do it again. Kick back on that last one. 8.8. 17.2. 29. Oh, okay. That had to be a real 390 and 29. I don't know about that. That's off a little bit. 18.1. That's right. 18.5. 17.8, just to see what the FPS is, 379. So it's hovering about 380, so that's actually pretty good. Just one added note again, just to finish the video up. I'm still having problems getting that handguard on. I guess I'm not used to a real type good handguard on an M4. I'm used to MP5s and things like that, and looking at this and trying to get it in, I really have to work on it to try to get that together. So what I've done is just put the, as you can see right here, I've just put the rubber bungee around it just so it holds. Just thought I'd make that added note on there. I must be a complete moron because I cannot get it on there as quick as I thought I could. Okay, we're going to try some shooting tests on the mailbox just to see what we get. Go full auto. I don't think the flash mag is keeping up with it, personally. Kind of go in the box there. Mailbox, in the box again. I don't know if you can see them coming in there like that. And we'll do a full auto, see if I can get it lined up in the box. I think that's doing the job there. Just so everybody can see, where we're at here. There's the mailbox, and we are back 95 feet. I think that's an excellent engagement distance. 95 feet is what I would engage with everybody. This gun will push past that. I should set up some targets at longer ranges, but I will do that on warmer days. It's just starting to get twilight now, and it's at the end of my work day, so I'm a little tired. This 14.8 is working flawlessly in here. The only thing I will say is that we've got the hand grip, or the hand grip there is getting warm. Not bad. I have other guns that are twice as hot, but for the amount of shooting I just did, it's not too bad. I think it has excellent snap on the trigger, and working out very nicely with the 14.8. Thanks for watching.